Hi, I'm Anik from Boxcar Marketing with your 1-minute marketing tip, and today's tip is about the Pages and Screens report in Google Analytics. Google Analytics reports have many similar functions, so you'll always see your date range in the top right-hand corner, and you can change the range to suit the reporting period you're looking for. There's a time series that we can adjust to show by day, week, or month. And there's data that is plotted here into the chart up here, and we can adjust that as well. The Pages and Screens report in its default mode is showing you which pages on the site have the most traffic. So what do the number of views look like? And when we scroll across, we can see things like, well, what does that mean in terms of add to carts or wish lists or any event that we are tracking on the site? Or how does that look in terms of key events or conversion points on the site? We can adjust or pick individual items there. That's a very basic way to use the Pages and Screens report. Often, if you update a section of your site or you launch a particular style of landing page, you want to know, are those changes having an impact on the site, positive or negative? And so you may want to compare things like how is one particular category performing in comparison to another. So you can use the search to filter by category. You might have made changes on a particular product page and you want to see how it's performing before or after a change. So you can update this to compare those before and after timeframes. Or if you have a group of product pages that you've made changes on and you want to see how does that look in terms of the impact on the site, your events or key events, then you can search for those particular pages and compare them to others. One of the ways to compare improvements to page design or text on a page or calls to action is to look at not just the views, but the average engagement time per active user, or to look at a particular event. Have the changes had an improvement in terms of the number of times that people add to a wish list or select a promotion or click on an item, whatever it is that's important to your particular site. So that's one way to use the Pages and Screens report beyond those default settings. I'm Anik from Boxcar Marketing, and that's it for now. Thanks. Bye.